Advanced bridge projects command more than fabrication. They demand innovation. At JGM, we don't just build steel, we design systems and processes that ensure it fits, functions, and lasts. The Livingston Lip Bridge stands as a showcase of how we deliver complex projects, precision, and accountability.
This bridge is fracture critical, meaning if one piece fails, the whole system is at risk. The tolerances are in the thousands. Pin bores, stiffeners, and tower geometry must all be exact so that when the lift span sets, the rails align to the millimeter every time.
To guarantee that precision, full sections of the towers are trial assembled in our shop. Every hole, every bolt, and every connection is surveyed and approved before it ships.
To capture that level of accuracy, we use a Hilti total station. But we don't stop there. We design custom fixtures and 3D printed bases, so our instruments lock back into the same place every time. This gives us consistent, repeatable data and the confidence that every measurement ties back to the drawing. We engineer the process as much as the steel. For this project, that means building a custom squeeze table for girder fit-up and a sub-arc gantry with safer cable management. Ingenuity solves problems that would otherwise slow production and raises accuracy across every step.
Our kinetic cutting table handles nearly every plate. With its 80-foot bed, we cut full-length webs and flanges in a single pass. That eliminates splice welds and X-ray cycles, saves time, and keeps the process moving. Every piece comes off the table exactly to spec.
Quality isn't something we check at the end. It is built in every step, from trial assemblies to daily huddles and to precision surveying. We make sure that by the time the steel leaves our shops, it's already tested, verified, and ready to perform.
The Livingston Lip Bridge shows what JGM brings to every challenging project. When the work is unique, tolerances are unforgiving, and the solutions don't exist until they are created. That's the work JGM is built for.